Let me tell you how it really went down.
We started off a team, party till we fall asleep. Even on the street when we disagree, we did it on beat. Respect the unique, anything less if it's weak. The music of the strings made life complete. So that one day that changed everything. The pop trolls started snatching up all of the strings, putting melodies on top of popular beats. They cut us out of the scene and then forgot what it really means. Not even publishing. The scene between all of the scheme, and it seems like the trolls they stole from were meaningless, walking around like they were the geniuses, but it's only samples, auto-tune, and remixes. I'm a vegan, I don't have no beef with them. Gotta protect my kingdom, but the dream is to sing again, being friends, seamless blend. Harmony ain't hard when the key's within, you win. Stars up. And you can get it how you want. I turn the music up loud. I get the crowd up. Come on. Took it all up. Come on. Oh, but it's all up. I feel you. Sounds good in my ear when I hear it like that. I feel you. I say I look good to the mirror and it says it right back. I feel you. A little love wouldn't kill you. You really did me wrong, it was real. Had a lot of love and I still do. 'Cause I feel you. Next morning the elders were on it. They saw the warning signs, couldn't ignore it. Had to figure out how to save the weight of life they had made, so they made a play. The pop trolls were coming for it all for one and one for all. So the only way we saw how we saw it, there was one thing left to be done. Each leader grabbed a single string and said, run.
And the trolls never lived in harmony again.
So the trolls live in isolation because of what Pop did?
Pop tried to destroy our music.
Just like Barb is trying to do.
I can make it right. History's just gonna keep repeating itself until we make everyone realize that we're all the same.
But we're not all the same.
It's why all our strings are different, because they reflect our different music.
Denying our differences is denying the truth of who we are.
I hadn't thought of it like that.